Guys, this is super trippy. I have just entered barrio chino, which basically means the Chinese neighborhood. There's like lanterns all around us, a bunch of Asian stores selling trinkets and such, but visually it looks so far that it's mostly Mexicans serving most of these stalls. So that's a very interesting twist, because the Chinatown in Los Angeles, or the ones I've been to, are mostly ran by Chinese, Vietnamese people. But yeah, guys, gonna try to find some food in here. I'm starving. Ooh, they caught me here. I stopped by this little dessert place to get a little bun right here. It looks tasty. I got a little taro bun. It's kind of shaped like a bao. Maybe it is a bao, a Mexican bao. Let me try it. Wow, this is surprisingly fire. This is a bao, a Mexican bao, if that. There's taro filling on the inside, and the bun is nice and fluffy, guys. Tastes just like a bao. Flames. This is actually really interesting, guys. A real life Mexican Chinatown. I'm the only Asian person I've seen so far in here, and actually I think that's really cool. All right, so some kimonos and stuff you can buy in here. There's a bunch of these scattered all over the place, but it's a little souvenir store where you can buy some Lisi. Okay, update, guys. I've been walking around here for at least 20 minutes now. I say the main things I kept seeing here are the baos. There's some boba drinks, but they didn't have boba. But guys, I was blown away by the baos. Those were fire. Some of the best baos I ever had. So if you guys come to Barrio Chino, definitely get the baos. They're all over the place. And ramen fritas, but I don't really want to try that, which is basically like fried noodles. All right, guys, this is super lit. A Mexican Chinatown. I've been here for 10 minutes and I've just spotted a few Asian people, but they're all speaking Spanish, so that's also very interesting. So not my kind of Asian, but Mexican Asians. But yeah, guys, super cool Mexican Chinatown. The streets are lined with these lanterns. I guess the cool thing about the Mexican Chinatown is you guys can walk around, get snacks, get some Dragon Ball Z anime figurines like right here, just get souvenirs, going from shop to shop to get a little trinket. So yeah, guys, that's the barrio de Chino for you. Yeah, guys, I was tempted to go try the Asian food or Chinese food in here, but come on, guys, I didn't come to Mexico City to eat Asian food, but it might be good, who knows. But yeah, guys, on to our next location. We got a soccer court out here as well. It's the full fitness experience. Basketball back there. It's a cardio and gains.